Here we have the QL Lithium Rail Drill. It's built for railway crews who need something light, portable, and easy to set up. The design is straightforward, just lock it in place, and you're ready to drill. With the hollow drill bits, it gives you clean, accurate holes every time. It also comes with an automatic water feed, so the bit stays cool while you're working. That means smoother drilling and less downtime. Powered by a 36-volt, 12-amp-hour battery, the full setup weighs only 16.5 kilos. Easy to carry, easy to operate. Noise is low, drilling time is short. The crew gets a safer, more comfortable environment. If you need to drill through rail, fast and reliably, this tool gets the job done.